Okay, so we're boxing and packaging a very large item here, so I'm gonna show you guys how to do it by yourself, basically.
Yo, popping tags, now it's time to take it home. Let's get it sold. I'm in the thrift game. No, I ain't about that fame. The record shops for 20 years in the game, man.
What's up, guys? Phil, the king of thrift here, back with another video to help you guys make that money on eBay. But before we do, if you have not already subscribed to this channel and this is your first time here, you need to go ahead and sign up now and make sure you ring the little bell right next to it so you don't miss anything. Now, with that out of the way, guys, let's get into the topic today. So now we're starting over here to hold it together, because this is basically our main support. You want to make sure it's square because it's a large package and you need the strength. Basically, you need the structural integrity. So it's important that you get it square. In other words, see right here? Look close. So you can see how they come straight together. They meet perfectly together, see? You don't want them overlapping, or you don't want them crooked. See it over here? You want these to all line up at good angles, because if these are off, if they're off, you know, tilted, off kilter, it's gonna, like I said, it's gonna affect your corners and the structural integrity of the box. So it's important when you're shipping heavy items. And this tuner that we're gonna put in here, 20 pounds. So now I'm gonna run one across here. This is the most important, right here, right across the center. And I'm just rolling, I just roll it, you know, along. That way I get it smooth. Now I'm just pressing it down. Forget to press your tape down. Or what'll happen is run your hands across. If they slide it, it's gonna peel off. And it's gonna mess with your box. So since this one's really heavy, I'm gonna give it a couple more. Give it some strength. And give it one more. Yeah, just to be safe. And then we're gonna give it right here. Actually, let's do it like this. 29 by, oh, I don't care, they're gonna see my toes. 29 by, we need about 35. So what I'm gonna do is come up, I'm gonna see how much I need. I'm trying to say about 11, should do it, 11 inches. So that's gonna be a difference of about 6 to 11, which is about 5 inches, okay? So there's a 5 inch, so I need 5 inches on top, 5 inches on bottom. Now that the seams are nice and taped up, what I'm going to do is just add extra tape for strength. As you can see along these edges here, these areas that I'm hitting are going to give a lot of strength to this box. And now I'm going back over the middle seam. I'm actually overlapping on both sides of that seam to give it extra strength. So what I'm going to do now is measure exactly where I need to cut the box. And these lines that you see here are basically marking the height of the box. And I have marked them, I'm going to mark them all the way around the inside, measuring from the peanuts upwards, when it's actually better to measure from the top part down. But once I get my lines, then I can go ahead and score everything and get everything ready as far as cutting and getting this FRANKEN-BOX together. Yeah, so I need to do, I gotta measure that cut exactly. And there, 9 inches. That means my cut needs to be 9 inches down on the top.
Make it right there. Here to here. It's right there. And I got this black line to follow.
Okay, the same thing here.
It's gonna be a little weebly, but that's all right. Now, you ready? Magic. Like that. And then just like this.
Okay, a little bit more. Just a little bit.
Put these in. It's a FRANKEN-BOX. Now here, I'm reinforcing these corners. Show you how you do that, just like this. I'm going around this way, and then across this way, and then we'll go one more this way. See? Makes your corners really strong.
If this video has helped you, make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure you tune in for all my upcoming videos, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel right now for all my tips and tricks on how to make that money and how to crush it on eBay. Thanks for tuning in today for another video, guys, and until my next one, you guys be good.
I hit the toll road, I'm looking for that gold, popping tags, now it's time to take it home, let's get it sold. I'm in the thrift game, no I ain't about that fame, been record shops for 20 years in the game, man.